Hello learners, I'm sure you all are doing well. Learners, in this video we are going to understand modals or modal verbs. Before we do that, I have an activity for you. You have to guess the occupation of the person on the basis of the prompts given. The prompts are: you must take care of students, you mustn't be late for class, you may read and write a lot. Yes, your answer is right. It can be a teacher. Now, another occupation for you which you have to guess. The prompts are: you can treat injuries, you may work in the morning or at night, you must take care of the patients. Yes, your answer is right. It can be a doctor or a nurse. So now let's find out what are modals. Modals are helping verbs. They are also called auxiliary verbs. They show the mood or attitude of the speaker. They are used with the base form of the main verb. Also, examples for them are can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will or would. Also, there is one more definition of modals, and that is the words can, must and may are called common auxiliary verbs which are used to express speakers' attitudes and opinions that include permission, necessity or lack of, desire, possibility or impossibility, ability or inability, and obligation or lack of. So now we have seen what are modal verbs. It's time for us to now focus on the types of modals, and they are ability. The example for that is I can pay you next week. So here can expresses ability. Another type is permission. Example for that is can I sit down? May I go after dinner? Here the words can and may express permission. Another type is possibility. Some examples for this type is she can't be his daughter, my wallet is gone, someone must have stolen it, I may see you tomorrow. So here these underlined words express possibility. Another type of modal is request. The example for that is could you pass me the salt? Here could is used to make a request. Another type is obligation. The example for this is you must see a doctor. Here must is used to set an obligation. So we have seen the types of modals. Now we'll practice some questions where you'll have to identify which type of modal is this. The first sentence is Tina can't play the piano today. Here can't expresses ability. Second, he must be sick. Here must is a type of possibility. Third, you must take your medicine. Here must is obligation. The fourth sentence is can I watch TV to relax? Here can expresses permission. Fifth sentence is could you buy me some milk at the store? Here could expresses request. Just now we have identified the type of modal. Now in this exercise the type is provided to you, but you have to guess the correct modal verb, and the exercise is the first sentence you dash see a doctor. The type is advise. So what should come here? Yes, the correct modal verb is you should see a doctor. Second, I dash lift 20 kg. Here the type is ability. The correct answer is I can. The third sentence, it dash snow today. The type is possibility. So the correct answer is it may or it might snow today. Now we have done two exercises. It's time for a task now. The task for you is you are a modal detective. Look at these dialogues and spot the modals. The example for dialogue is A. Can I go outside? B. No, you must finish your work first. C. You should be more responsible. So your mission is you have to list all the modals in this conversation, identify their use, for example, ability, advice, etc. I'm sure you will be a good modal detective. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.